Hi everyone, so I got done with my XLRI interview and I will quickly walk you through my experience. So as soon as I entered, उन्होंने हमारा डॉक्यूमेंट वेरिफिकेशन किया एंड बायोमेट्रिक्स किया. उसके बाद 10 की हमारी एक 10 लोगों की ग्रुप बनाई थी एंड हमारा GD एंड वैट टॉपिक सेम था. सो माई टॉपिक वॉज दैट एम्प्लॉई वेलफेयर प्रोग्राम्स आर mere branding tools for employers or do they actually care? So 15 minutes were given to us to speak on this and have a group discussion, which all of us felt like was a lot because there were pretty often there were moments of silence. So I think that was it. Uske baad, after the group discussion got done, uske baad each one of us one by one had to give our concluding statement. So we were given 30 seconds to give our concluding statement. And uske baad hame same topic पे अपना ऐसे लिखना था एंड वी वर गिवन 15 minutes फॉर द सेम. उसके बाद वॉट हैपेंड वॉज, yes, the interview began and there were 3 professors in my panel. 2 were males and 1 was female, and they mostly asked me questions what I spoke in the group discussion. So my first question was that you spoke about the Maternity Benefit Act. I think it was passed long time ago, so this was my question. The next question was tell me about Jharkhand, क्योंकि मैं झारखंड से belong करती हूँ, so this was the question. And उसके बाद they asked me a common question, why human resource management and why MBA? You seem to have studied BBA for 3 years, so why MBA? So this was a well prepared answer. उसके बाद the question was a little tricky. She asked me to design a policy to make transgender included in the company. And so I think she asked me this question because I spoke about transgender in my group discussion. Uske baad, the next question was that you studied organizational behavior in BBA. So what did you study in it? And uske baad, like, I was trying to explain different concepts of organizational behavior, and I spoke about motivational theories and leadership styles, etc. So my next follow-up question was, tell me a motivational theory besides Maslow's. So matlab, I did not know the answer to this question and I was like, I'm sorry, I'm not able to recall. And finally, the last question was that do you have any questions for us? So I think overall my panel was very chill. They were trying to have more of a conversation, and for a few questions they were telling me like, have you prepared for the interview? They were having a very chill conversation. Where are you staying? Have you prepared for the interview? Did you take some coaching? So they asked me these questions also just to know about me, and overall they were having a smooth conversation only. And मेरे जो panel में और बच्चे भी गए थे, तो for them also it was very conversational as they told me. And for example, there was a girl and उसने I think कुछ music related studies करी थी, so they also asked her to sing a song. And I think it was a good fun interview, except for like a few questions which I was not able to recall, subject related question. And kuch question mein I think like there could have been a better scope of improvement. So I think that was it. Overall, my interview experience was good. It only lasted for 10 minutes, and for other students also it only lasted for 10 minutes. So that is pretty much it. Thank you so much, and please remember to subscribe the channel so that I can keep on uploading more interview experiences. Thank you.